Yes. Now I'm going to check everybody's homeworks. I'm going to check everybody's homeworks. Yeah. Uh, tell me what is right. පොඩකින් මම ඒක ගන්නකම්.
සර් කැඩි කැඩිනේ ඇහෙන්නේ.
ඒ පුතේ ඩ්‍රොප් එකක් තියෙනවා ඔයගොල්ලෝ පැත්තේ. පොඩි ඩ්‍රොප්ස් තියෙනවා. පොඩි ඩ්‍රොප්ස් තියෙනවා. Right. Now I would like to ask the answers from, first of all, who is going to give the answer first? Raise the hand. කවුද උත්තර දෙන්න යන්නේ මුලින්ම? Raise the hand. Because Matisha has already sent me the answers. කවුද යහන් උස්සලා අත උස්සලා ඉන්නව බලන්න කවුද අත උස්සන්නේ කියලා බලන්න. Right, යහන්, Naomi, then who else? යහන්, Naomi, Matisha.
සර් මැසේජ් එකෙන්ද උත්තර දෙන්න ඕන?
නෑ මැසේජ් එකකින් ඕනේ නෑ පුතේ. ආයි ටයිප් කරන්න ඕනේ නෑ. මට ඔයාලා ලියපු උත්තර ටික කියන්නකෝ. එතකොට හරි මම අහනකොට මට කියන්න ඕන. Right now 4 of guys has already raised the hands. Naomi, Yehan, Janindu and Matisha. Now I want to do a little draw for that. මම මේකට පොඩි draw එකක් ඇදලා තීරණය කරනවා කාටද දෙන්නේ කියලා. දැන් ඔක්කොම ආර්ටික උස්සලානේ. Right, very good. අපේ classes වල කරනවා ඔක. පොඩි draw එකක් ඇදලා බලනවා කාටද දෙන්නේ කියලා. So actually for the moment I don't have a time to do a draw. Then I'll close my eyes and think to whom that I give this chance first. කාට කියලා හිතයිද බලමු. I close my eyes. Yes, Janindu, tell me your answers quickly.
Platter, read right head, actuator arm, spindle, actuator, data port, power port.
Right, very good ne. Then Naomi Resindi. Naomi, this is your turn. Naomi, this is your turn, Due. ඉන්න බලන්න දූ මං හිතන්නේ. Right. Okay. Wait. I will get others answers. Then I'll jump up to you. Okay. Then Naomi, if can you type and send me? If can you type and send me? Yes. Jehan Dakshina, this is your turn.
Platter, writing head, accurator arm, spindle, accurator, data cable, data port, power port.
Yes. Actuator, 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 actuator. Yes, very good. But here there is no any data cable. Only 7 items here. 1, 2, 3.
Data port cable එකට port කියලා කියුනේ.
Hari pute, right? It's okay. But your answers are correct. You correct. Then Janidu correct. Matisha Lakindra.
First,
Give me your answers. Tell me your answers.
letter, actuator arm, actuator axis, spindle, actuator, SATA connector, power connector.
Say it again.
Letter, actuator arm, actuator axis, spindle, actuator, SATA connector, power connector.
Naomi, do you have a chance to say your answer now? Naomi wala තියෙනවා. Right. Very good. Yes. Yes. Okay, Naomi, you are correct, but you missed one thing. Naomi Dua, you missed one thing. You missed one thing. Look at the answers and check what did you miss. Others are correct, but you missed something. Right. Ian's answers are correct. Janidu's answers are correct. Naomi's given answers are correct, but she missed something. Matisha, Pute, here there's a little problem. Your number 1 is correct, platter. But number 2 is read right head, Neputi. Number 2 is read right head. Then number
Right head.
yes, read right head. Mom pennu ara podi tudak tiyenawa. Today I can't move my neck. Mage bell harawanna bෑ ada. Very hard to move it. Broken neck. Look at this. This is read right head. This is read right head. It has already fixed to the actuator arm. It is already fixed to the actuator arm. Then number 3 is actuator arm. Number 1 platter. Number 2 read right head. Number 3 actuator arm. Number 4 spindle. Number 5 actuator. Number 6 data port. Number 7 power port. Those are the answers. Naomi, what did you miss today? Naomi ta miss une kotanada? Naomi, මාව ඇහෙනවද දුව? She is logging by some other way. Okay. Naomi Dua, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Right. Pute, your answers are correct. Your given answers are correct, Dua. So, but you missed something. You missed something. First, look at your answers. First, look at the answers what you sent me and check what did you miss. She gone away again.
අද සර් සිග්නල් අඩු ප්‍රශ්නයක් තියෙනවා සර්.
සිග්නල් අඩුයි එහෙම ප්‍රශ්නයක් තියෙනවා. මොකද මේ වැස්සයි එහෙම එක එහෙම ප්‍රශ්නයක් තියෙනවා. නෑ මොකද මං හිතන්නේ මේ නවමිලාගේ SLT ලයින්ස් උත් අප්සෙට් ගිහිල්ලා මට ඊයේ කිව්වා ඊයේ අපිට ක්ලාස් එක තියන්න උනේ නෑ grade 9 එක. මේ ඒගොල්ලන්ට මොන විදියටවත් ලොග් වෙන්න බැරි වුණා ඊයේ. ඒ නිසා අපි grade 9 එක
මම රෙකෝඩින් දාපුවා නම් දැක්කා.
ආ
අර YouTube එකේ දාලා තිබ්බනේ සර්.
ඔව්
මේ ටික නම් දැක්කා.
ආ
ඕකේ grade 9 එක.
ආ
ඒකේ grade 9 එක දැක්කා.
grade 9 එක ඔව් grade 9 විතරක් නෙමෙයි මේකේ ගොඩාක් තියෙනවා. ටෙක් එකේ
ඔව්
කරපුවා
grade 10 එහෙම තියෙනවා.
මොකද්ද පුතා?
grade 10 සිංහල මීඩියම් මේවා තියෙනවා.
ඔව්
දැක්කා.
හොඳයිද ටික මේ ඔක්කොම ලයිව් තියෙන්නේ ආයි මුකුත් නැහැ එඩිටඩ් නැහැ සාමාන්‍ය යන විදියට තියෙන්නේ non edited
හොඳයි.
ලයික් එකක් හරි දාන්න හොඳ නම්
සර් එකේ මේ notifications එන්නේ නැහනේ සර් ඒකේ
දැම්මද?
all දාන්න දෙන්නේ නැහැ.
ආ
සර් එකේ මේකේ all දාන්න දෙන්නේ නැහනේ notifications.
all දාන්න දෙන්නේ නැහැ කියන්නේ
ඒකේ all දැම්මට වැටෙන්නේ නැහැ none වැටෙන්නේ.
එහෙමද
මට නම් ඒක තමයි වෙන්නේ හැමතිස්සෙම all දැම්මම none වැටෙන්නේ ඊට පස්සේ තමයි දැන් දාලා ඉන්නේ.
right Naomi now are you okay
දැන් හරි සර්.
right okay good so පුතේ what was your missed part මොකද්ද ඔයාගේ miss වෙච්ච part එක in your answer you missed some part what was that oh Matish actually it's good හොඳටම හොඳයි කැමරා එක වැඩ කරනවා වගේ හොඳට නේ
නෑ සර් මේ කැමරා එක නම් පාවිච්චි කරේ නෑ මේ පල්ලෙහා රෙන්ටින් කරන්න අයිය කෙනෙක් වෙනවා ගෙනල්ලා ඒ අයියට කියලා කරේ.
ඒක හොඳයි මේ Naomi බලන්න දුවේ it's data port නේ data port and power port here power cable don't say power cable it's power port and data port here look at this here this is a power port we are using this port to supply power and here this is a data port we are using this port to transfer data last day we did discuss and write down a note also it doesn't matter now because I didn't send a picture yet today I am going to send the pictures මම අද pictures දානවා මොකද pictures දැම්මේ නැත්තේ මට ඕන pictures දාන්නේ නැතුව ඔයගලන්ට කොච්චර දුරට මේකද මතකද කියලා බලන්න that is why I didn't put the pictures today at the end of the class I will put the pictures right so last day we did discuss about data port and power port is that so did we write down something there regarding the data port අපි data port එක ගැන මොන හරි ලිව්වද
ඔව් සර්.
oh very good what did you all written there මොනවද ලියලා තියෙන්නේ අපේ දරුවෝ data port එක ගැන මොනවද ලියලා තියෙන්නේ? Who can read that? Who can read the things what you written about data port?
It's divided into two parts. ID data port, data port. ID data port is very old method. It's too low. Data port is the latest one.
No. I gave you a note, no? I gave you all a note. On last day, I gave you all a note regarding data ports. Isn't it? මං දුන්නේ නැද්ද data port එක ගැන? ගිය සතියේ ලියන්න.
දුන්නා sir.
Ah, yes. Yes, very good. So who can read what did you all written there?
Data port is using to transfer, exchange data and information with the motherboard. When hard disk receives data from the motherboard to its data port, the data writing and reading head of the hard disk start to write the entire data to the platters in calling as storing data. If hard disk receive a command from the motherboard to its data port by requesting some information from the hard disk, then the read-write head start to read the data from platters and sends the required information to the motherboard through data port by the hard disk. This data port of the hard disk connecting with the data port with the motherboard by data cable.
Yes, good. Very good. We didn't write anything about power. Or have we written about power earlier? Power ගැන ලිව්වද අපි කලින්?
ඒකෙන් පස්සේ ලිව්වා power port කියලා.
කවදද ඒ ගැනත් ලියලා තියෙනවද? Naomi, did we write about power ports?
චුට්ටයි ලිව්වේ.
මොකක්ද ලිව්වේ power port ගැන?
Each and every hard disk has a power point. This power point is using to supply the power to the hard disk to its operation.
Yes, it's okay. Good. Then last day we did discuss about data ports and power ports of the hard disk. Now, today I am going to discuss what are these data ports. Actually, there are two types of data ports. Actually, there are two types of data ports. Huh? Due to the transferring method of data in the hard disk, there are two types of data ports. Huh? Due to the transferring methods of data, right? So this is same as in the motherboard too. Motherboard එකෙත් පුතේ මේක මේ වගේමයි, right? Now I am going to teach you what are the major types of data transferring methods between the motherboard and hard disk, right? මම දැන් කියලා දෙන්න යන්නේ motherboard එකයි hard disk එකයි අතර data transfer කරන methods මොනවද කියලා. right? Can you all look at my blackboard? Can you all look at my blackboard?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right, okay. Now we are going to talk about two types of data transferring methods among the between the motherboard and hard disk. Two types of data transferring methods. Right. This is a motherboard. Think this is a motherboard. Make it a motherboard. Onna hitaga. Pang and the motherboard. Now, within another few seconds, this session might be ended. Therefore, everybody keep in mind to log in this again. This is a motherboard. Oh,